Good day, my wonderful learners. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you are yet to subscribe, I want to encourage you to do that right now. Make sure that you like my videos and share it with your loved ones. Today, I want to consider a sphere, and I want to encourage you to watch my previous videos on a cube, a cupboard, and likewise a cylinder. Don't forget that the topic is solid measuration. But the subtopic for today's class is a sphere. What is a sphere? A sphere is a solid shape with perfectly round surface. And the examples that we can see within our vicinity are orange and likewise short put. So the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared, while the volume is 4 over 3 pi r squared. And I want to encourage you, even at the end of my teaching today, make sure that you wait. Watch the pictures that will be displayed on the screen. Those are the pictures, those are the shapes of a sphere. So I'm going to give you examples that we can see within our vicinity. So let's solve the examples given. A sphere
Mr. Michael
has a radius of 8 centimeters. So from what we have here,
him as my own
the radius
facilitator
is 8 centimeters. Find
I love
its surface
mathematics.
area.
Thanks to the Chosen
Don't
One
forget
Tutorial
that pi
Center.
is 22 over 7. It has a constant value. So the surface area here, surface area denoted with S, is equals to 4 pi r squared. So we are going to have 4 times 22 over 7 multiplied by 8 squared. And don't forget that will be 8 times 8, which will give us 64. So we are going to multiply the
Bring your
numerator
calculator
first.
now.
So by the time you multiply 4 by 22 by 8 by another 8, you are going to have 5,632. 5,632. Then you divide the result by 7. So by the time you divide by 7, 5,632 divided by 7 will give us 804.57 centimeter squared. So let's calculate the volume. The volume. The formula for the volume is 4 over 3 pi r squared. So we are going to have 4 over 3 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by 8 squared. Then this will now be 4 over 3 times 22 over 7 times 8 times 8. Don't forget that 8 squared simply means 8 times 8 times 8. Then we are going to multiply
There is a place at
using
the top
calculator.
for those who
4
dare to
times
dream.
22
Start
will
dreaming
give
now.
us 88. And we are going to have 88. 3 times 7 will give us 21. Then 8 times 8 will give us 64. So by the time we multiply 88 times 64, that will be 5,632 divided by 21. So by the time we divide the results by 21, we are going to have 268.19 centimeter cube. Don't forget that is the volume, and you can decide to round it up. It will be 268.2 centimeter cube. So I want you to try this on your own and put your answer in the
Attempt the
comment
question
section.
and put your answer in the
has a
comments
radius
section.
of 11 centimeter. Find its surface area and likewise the volume. I want to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Choosing One Tutorial Learning Platform. Subscribe if you are yet to do that. All you need to do is to locate the subscription button, click on it, and set on the notification button. Make sure that you like the video
you are awake,
and share it with your
alive,
loved ones.
and
Stay tuned
enthusiastic.
as we display the pictures of a sphere.
The
Thank you.
Chosen One
See you
Tutorial
next
cares
class.
about you.